Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI FreeClip. In this video I'll show you how to use gestures. In the beginning, take a look at your earbuds. Here we've got the multifunctional buttons. You can press right here, or right here. Now take a look at the app and go to gestures. As you can see, we've got the gesture for double tap and triple tap. Double tap on either side to answer and calls. Double tap on the left to play pause and on the right to wake voice assistant. For triple tap, double tap on the left, triple tap on the left to select next song and triple tap on the right to select previous song. And that's it about the gestures. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.